What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? In this video I'm going to be bringing you the 369 breath work. To do this breath work, you want to be in a relaxed place so you feel safe. You're gonna not do this while you're driving. So sit on the edge of your chair with your cox bone on the edge, and you're gonna want to breathe. Exhale through the nose 3 times rapidly, inhale through the nose 3 times rapidly, then fully exhale and fully inhale. And then once you're on the inhale, you want to lean forward but pull your shoulders backwards. Then you do it again, but this time instead of it being 3 exhales and 3 inhales, you go to 6 exhales and 6 inhales. And then you fully exhale, fully inhale, lean forward, pull your shoulders back. And then you do this again with 9 exhales, 9 inhales, lean forward, exhale, fully inhale, lean forward, shoulders back. Whilst you're doing the hold, remember that I haven't told you yet, so it's not really remember. But make sure to, once you're doing the hold on the inhale hold, allow your stomach to expand out, push out even, and contract your pelvic floor. And yeah, the whole cycle would be doing 369 with all the holds. It's extremely powerful. Don't force it. If you only want to go 1 round, only go 1 round. If you want to go more, go more. Do what feels right. I'll show you how to do it now. I forgot to mention, this breath should be done diaphragm, free diaphragm. Okay, guys. It's much later, but this is how you do it. Cox bone on the edge of the chair, and okay. Let your belly out. when doing this breathing exercise, try to maintain the pattern if you're continuing to go for numerous rounds. If I missed anything, you will hear after. I guess thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Thank you for trying if you try. I got this breathing technique from Nick Caputo. If you want to check out his video, it'll be linked in the caption in the bio. If you want to help me out, my links are in the description. I'm not asking you to, you don't have to. Just, I don't know, you get money, I get money, win-win. Yeah.